We're so excited to show you this wonderful home on a lovely lot in the ever so popular Shadeland and with convenient access to Ecton Park, UK, Baptist Health, and downtown. Let's head inside. With 10-foot ceilings, beautiful crown moldings, and hardwood floors, the living and family rooms are gorgeous, welcoming spaces. This fantastic kitchen area features Electrolux Professional Series appliances, 2 full-size ovens, granite counters, and a dining area. The formal dining room is delightful. It's a comfortable spot for weeknight meals, but formal enough for special occasions. Also on the main level, this guest suite, which boasts a door to the deck, a walk-in closet, and a full bath with a heated tile floor. The master bedroom is your own private oasis from the stresses of the day. The attached master bath is tastefully and elegantly designed. Down on the lower level, we find a huge rec room with surround sound, a fireplace, an exercise room, a full bath, and workshop area. The thoughtful design gives the home an aura of peace and tranquility, while the warm colors and clean lines add a cozy and modern feel. The outdoor living space offers another option in outdoor entertaining or a relaxing spot to enjoy a morning cup of coffee. This home is a slice of heaven. If you're looking for outstanding amenities, award-winning schools, and a great location, then look no further. Call today to schedule a private tour.